In this video, we are going to be learning how to securely expose our localhost port to public internet using Cloudflare tunnels. Here, I'm having a simple Node.js application that's running on localhost 3000. When we visit localhost 3000, we get the documentation for this REST API. We can use this to convert all these minimal operations simply like this. When we pass the value as well as the unit that we want, it will return the response. This is an working API, but here I want to share this URL so that my friends can also use this. But for this, I need to deploy the application. And here I want to quickly share this with some of my friends. For that, what we are going to be doing, here we are going to be using Cloudflare Tunnels to create a secure tunnel on our machine and expose port 3000 to public internet with our own custom domain. First, you need to visit your Cloudflare dashboard. Here you will find the networking option, and inside you will get the tunnels option. Click here. Inside tunnels, you'll be getting this kind of interface. Here you need to click on create tunnel, and you can provide any name for this tunnel. I'm just giving the name as test API. Then click on create tunnel. Here, depending upon your operating system, you need to download the Cloudflare application. Since I'm using Windows, I'll be using the Windows option. In macOS, it's very simple. You need to just run this command and it will install. You can just copy and paste it. The Cloudflare Windows application is downloaded. You need to simply install it. And now, after it's installed, it's not a GUI application. So you need to open your command prompt, copy this command, and paste this copied command. Your join could not establish a connection to secure control manager access denied. For this, what you can do, here it required administrative access. For this, you can just open command prompt as administrator and then you can paste the command. Here it's just install Windows service and then agent was activated. And now, as you can see, your showing tunnel connected successfully. Your tunnel is now ready to use. Click on continue. Here we have our test API tunnel and it's connected to our IP as well as the edge locations. Here, what we need to do, here we need to tell that our application is running in port 3000. We need to expose this port to public internet. For this, here we need to create a route. Here it can be either a published application, private hostname, private CIDR, or workers VPC. In our case, we are going to be selecting the published application option as we want to expose our port. Now, here in this option, first we need to have our domain inside Cloudflare DNS. I have already added my domain, so here showing the option. Here, if you want, you can add subdomain. In my case, I'm going to be using subdomain. Just name it as simple API. And then we need to mention the service URL. The port that we wish to forward is localhost 3000. So just paste that and click on add route. So now our route has been added. Here it is pointing to some address tunnel and this is our domain where we can access our API. Simply copy this domain and open it in new tab. It is the same API, but this time it is serving from our custom domain through Cloudflare tunnels. And now we have just exposed our localhost 3000 port to our custom domain. Now, if I keep this server active, then it will not stop. It will continue to deploy it and keep the tunnel open until I stop the server. So in this way, you can just expose your private port to public internet using Cloudflare tunnels. If you keep the server active, then this tunnel will work with no time limitation. And you can also use this to host your application because here you are also getting the Cloudflare protection as well as the HTTPS certificate for free.